stars pulling us apart through no fault of your own. You've been winded and thrown blind into the...
Welcome back to Chris and Hagon Factory. So this week's video, as you saw at the start, we went up to Mildura for the Australian Solo Speedway Championships. Great event, great venue. It was a fair drive from Bendigo. It was 400 k's each way, and we stayed in a motel up there overnight. We went up in the old man's little clown car. He's got this little Honda Jazz thing. We bought up there in that, and it went really well, it did. And then we got a motel up there, and the owner of the motel was obviously renovating, so he started renovating, I don't know, maybe when the reception shut, worked all night, kept us awake, but we had a few beers in, so it didn't really matter that much. We had a bit of fun. The speedway was phenomenal, fast, can't believe how fast it was. Got some great footage, so let's have a look.
Winded and thrown blind into the walls and forced to own heartache that isn't yours, while your turbulent waters they rocked your balance and swayed you to harbors you never normally tread. Am I worthy of forgiveness? Have I earned your faith? It seems the
tonight. Right, we're up at Mildura at Olympic Park Speedway for the second round of the Australian Speedway titles. We've just had 3/4 of a lap of one race, and Max Frick has thrown it down the track.
Yep, and we like Max Frick because
We do
he's
like,
a goer.
Yeah, we like Max because he'll have a go, and he was having a go. He got off to a bad start, but he was having a go, and he's got the winner to a bin it attitude, and he binned it.
He bid it. So we'll see how we go for the next one.
Yep.
Where's my light at the end of the tunnel? Where's my light? The emergency room, you scared the shit out of me. Your carelessness took a heavy toll on me. I stood beside you, saw something inside you melt. I took a cab with you, I drew it out. Your faith, you know, the further out you drift is, the more you turn our love away. Where's my light at the end of the tunnel? Where's my light at the end of the tunnel? Where's my light?
Righto, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.